Or you need a break? Hello? Hello?
Yes, Prof.
Can I continue or you need a break?
As you wish.
Continue, doctor. Okay, Aslinda. Okay. Uh, play, Okay, all of you get ready. I hope we will get more participants now. Maybe earlier got problem. You will have a new game pin.
पचपन 075 55 76 075 55 76 075
Only 17, is it? 18. Okay, Nurul Shaida is here. Amma is here. Nadina Safu. Okay, okay. Pua, where are you, Pua? Maizatul Akma. Maizatul. Seventy of them. Okay, we start like earlier only. TY is here. Okay, I start type of data. This is a 15 question. 1, 2, 3. Okay, only answer. 9 only answer. I don't know what is the problem. Up to no one can score. You know, mind. Okay. So what is the data scale using measuring tape? Ratio, integer, nominal, discrete. Only 2 answer correct. Okay, okay, and Salayam. Next. So rainfall means 6. Correct answer. Okay, we see who is okay. Who is okay, huh? I'm okay. Third question. Data coded with numbers in column. Okay, nominal. Thank you. And okay, still leading. Amma. Okay. So student name is considered? Nominal. Thank you. Still okay. Am I missing?
Okey, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Interval. Interval pula dah.
Okay.
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 Okay. Can be beat by Nurul and
CY.
if they really fast enough to click the numbers. Okay.
Sekejap ya, sekejap. Saya ada kursus sekejap.
Okay, temperature. What type?
Interval. Okay, so actually we have already finished. Okay. Can student can hear me? Students?
Yes, sir. Boleh, sir. Boleh, sir. Boleh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Boleh dengar, sir.
The data annual revenue for okay, so we are start with
And the winner is still okay. Okay, 9.
which of the following answer choices is not the type of variable? Ish. Sorry, silap. Alah, placebo, sorry.
Ten.
Placebo.
Wow. EY. Okay. It's okay.
Which of the following variables is the same for all groups in an experiment? Which of the following variables is the same for all groups in an experiment?
Control variable. Abdul Hamid is coming. Amma is missing in the action.
The variable that is different from all of the groups in experiment.
Prof, internet problem.
Okay. Yeah.
Dependent, sorry. Yeah.
CY. Wow. Okay.
Sekejap ya. Number of employee.
CY.
Number of employee.
Wow.
According to human resource management
Okay.
is an example of.
Okay, descriptive variable. We see who is EY. Okay, can still. We have two more.
It's based on numerical data that can be used using statistics.
Very easy. Okay, thank God. EY. Option is coming up. Yes. Okay.
Of internet work.
This is the term validity refer to.
Uncontrollable variables, yeah.
Yes, bro.
Okay. Done.
Okay.
Third place goes to Fatin. Second place, Nurul. And first, okay.
Okay.
And then now, runners up are CY and Sapu. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you. We continue with our
Okay, seterusnya kita
our
pergi
slide.
masuk
This
chapter
can see the slide.
numerical methods.
May I know who is okay?
Numerical methods.
Who is okay?
I'm prof. Omar Kairan.
Omar Kairan. Okay, thank you, Omar. Okay, so talk about IV, DV, and DV. So IV means independent variable, DV means dependent variable, and CV control variable. Okay, IV what I change. Okay, DV what I observe. Okay, and CV is what I keep them same.
Okay,
so these are the simple
so
definition.
2.2
All
kita
the
masuk
variables,
2.2 dah kan. So we are already finished the
and question, does an electric motor
numerical
turn
methods,
faster
right?
if you increase the voltage? Okay, this is the question.
Where is the
Can you
notes?
all identify a lot of questions because we are the time is not enough sufficient for us. Okay,
Chapter 4,
can
right?
you identify in the chat
Chapter 3 or
group?
chapter 4?
Tell me what is DV, what is IV, what is control variable in the chat. What is DV? Oh, slide not seen. Can I see the slide? Yeah, the content. Okay.
650.
No, oh, thank God. I'm talking alone here. Okay. Can see? Okay. So you just identify what is DV, dependent variable. From this statement, what is the IV? Just put in the chat. First DV, what do you feel? What is DV here? Does an electric motor turns faster? The motor, electric motor. Yeah, DV. Muhammad asked me why no. What is the dependent variable? So some said the voltage. IB is
Okay, so
voltage,
this is
okay?
your notes as I given to you.
It's a dB, prof, because if we increase the electric voltage, then automatically motor will run faster. So it's depend on the independent variable.
Okay,
Okay.
so what is
So
dB,
this is the
IB
notes.
and control
Kita
variable here?
masuk chapter 3, right? Okay, untuk notes ni, kalau ikut yang notes ni.
Okay, IB will
So
be
you're using
the voltage of the electricity
this
measured
notes.
in volts.
Okay, so we
Okay.
move to the
And dB
chapter
will
3,
be
which is
speed
numerical
of the
descriptive measures.
rotation measured in the revolution per minute. Okay. And
So,
CV is the same motor that we are using.
Okay,
Okay,
student,
so
can
we
you
never
see my
change the
presentation?
motor is
Boleh
same.
ke?
What we are changing is the voltage.
Okay,
Boleh.
so
The voltage will
Okay.
increase the
so so this is the
is
measure of
IV.
central tendency.
So the
Okay,
speed
so,
of rotation depend on the voltage. dB, okay,
Measure
second,
of central
Second question
tendency
we try,
can be taken as
Second.
summary value for data
Question 2.
sets. Okay.
How much water flows through a
Okay, so
faucet
whatever
at different openings?
data that we calculates, that we
The
analyze,
IV?
so there is must be must be
Ahmad say faucet of different opening
what we
is
call
IV.
the values yang akan represent, okay, the data itself.
Okay.
The data. So for example, maybe
So what is the CV? Volume of water flow is DV.
okay.
Yeah. So IV is
For
water
example, the
faucet opening. Okay, different opening. And DV will be the amount of water flowing. And the faucet. Okay, the faucet the same.
Saya nak tanya chapter tu
Control variable
belum
is
habis
will be the
lagi.
same. Okay.
chapter tu tak habis lagi.
Thank you.
Belum,
Thank you for
sir.
that response.
Chapter tu
Okay, the
yang
third.
mana kita tak habis lagi.
Okay. Thank you. Does eating up a cup of
Chapter
water
tu yang
allow
mana?
it to dissolve
rasanya habis
more
lah.
sugar?
Kita masuk dah kan, OGIF ni kan semua.
Point
Does
2.2
eating up
sir.
a cup
Numerical
of water
method.
allow it to
Yalah,
dissolve
betul lah
more
tu.
sugar? So
Yalah.
what will be the DB? What will be the
Betul
IV?
lah,
And what
numerical
will be
descriptive
CV?
measures. Betul lah, cuma nama dia lain. Numerical methods dengan numerical descriptive measures is the same thing lah.
It
Okay,
IV,
Okay.
okay,
sugar
boleh.
is dependent.
Lagi, sir.
Independent. Sugar is independent.
Okay, so measure of central tendency.
IV is amount of it. Ziak say
So if you have a
sugar
group
is IV. Yeah.
group of data,
Cup.
okay, so you ada beberapa data itu, so you have to
Ahmad Safwan say
summarize it.
eating.
Summarize it
Control is type
in the
of
form of
water.
single
Control.
values yang akan represent the
I
data
see.
itself lah.
Okay, the answer
Okay.
is
So dia akan
temperature
represent.
of the water measured.
For example,
in
kalau you
degree
kira
centigrade
purata
is
kan,
IV.
purata orang selalu
Okay,
kira
because we
purata,
are heating
okay,
up the cup.
and then the
Temperature.
medians mode, itu
CV
semuanya
will be
tu
the
data
amount
yang
of dissolved sugar.
mostly
And the CV will
yang
be the staring.
melibatkan
Okay, when you stir,
summarizing the
and
data.
the type of
Kalau data kita dalam bentuk numerical, okay. Kalau data kita
Does
dalam bentuk
fertilizer
categorical
make a plant
or
grow
nominal,
bigger?
for example di
Every
janda itu, kita boleh summarize
Give
in the
good
form
answer.
of
Does
tables,
fertilizer make a
in the
plant grow
form
bigger?
of
So what is the DV,
in the
IV
form
and
of
CV? Wah, okay. Plant growth is
graph, okay.
IV will be type of
So itu untuk nominal data
fertilizer.
yang dalam bentuk
Okay.
categorical, okay, macam gender kan. So how
IV
about
is
di
fertilizer,
contohnya kalau data
okay.
tu dalam bentuk
IV is
apa?
okay.
The
So IV is amount of
dalam bentuk
fertilizer
kuantitatif
measured
lah.
in
Dia
gram.
dalam bentuk
DV is the growth of the plant,
values,
and
okay.
CV will be
Actual
the same
values,
for
okay.
same type of plant, you know.
Ataupun kita
So all
measure lah,
these are
something yang kita
control
measure,
variables.
okay.
So we are
Okay,
almost
so itu kita boleh
done.
kira
Okay,
dia punya
now
mean,
just I
median
just want
mode,
to
okay,
share a simple
yang
research.
akan represent the data, okay.
Science research.
Single value yang akan
Very
represent
simple one.
the data.
Okay. And
Okay, so for
then
example,
when you
kalau
start
contohnya
writing, okay,
age,
writing your
okay, age.
proposal,
So
or if you want to start
susah kita nak
thesis,
gambarkan dalam
we will
bentuk
start with normally we will start with
kita
the
nak
literature
apa
review.
nama ni,
Okay, to review
nak
the similar
nak
issues.
summarize lah,
Okay, normally
okay.
we do that.
Macam mana
Okay.
kita takkan
So
kita nak
now the
satu-satu
problem is
check
here in
satu-satu
this case,
kan.
very simple
So
one. What happens to seeds
maksudnya
if they are kept
to make
at a different temperature
make easier,
before
okay,
they plant?
ataupun simplify the
That
data
is the issue. What will happen
more
if I put it in a
understandable,
different temperature before
that
I
makes
put the
us
planting?
easier to
Okay,
understand the
so
data itu.
first I
Okay.
have to identify the
So it's not
problem,
just looking
study
the
the
whole
problem.
data
When I
itself.
study the
Okay.
problem, I
Kalau
will go through the
10 data
literature
tak ada
first,
masalah,
then I
kita tengok
formulate the
satu-satu kan.
hypothesis.
But
Formulation or
when
hypothesis will
involving
lead me
many
to
data,
objective
okay, for
anything,
example maybe in time
objective research
in
question.
maybe at least of
And I
100
conduct
mungkin
an
you dah
experiment,
tak
get
nak susah nak
results, and
tengok
I
kan.
present the
Sakit mata dah tengok
result.
satu-satu
This
kan.
is what will happen.
So
Okay.
how to make
So the problem
how
is
to make
what will
easier
happen
to us
when I
in order
kept
to
the
understand the data
seed
itself,
in a
okay,
different
in a
temperature
simple
before
way,
I plant.
okay, in
Okay.
easier
The
way.
research
Okay,
question
so
is
we have to use measure of central tendency.
what you
Okay,
hope to figure
maksudnya dia
out.
akan
It is your
represent the
what
data.
if
Okay.
question. What if question should be able to
Okay.
write the research question in
Dan
simple
biasanya orang akan
sentence.
gunakan
Okay.
lah data
So
this
we normally will
information
study
in order to
previous.
represent the
Okay,
data
that's
kan.
why
Kalau nak
literature
bercakap
review
apa kan,
for master and
kita tak
PhD,
cakap
your literature
satu-satu
review
kan.
is key, like
Okay, kita katakan
supporting
dalam
evidence, you know.
around gitulah. Kita
During
around
Viva,
itu
we
maksudnya
have
itu
a
purata lah tu.
supporting,
Around
fantastic
70
supporting
around
evidence.
umur
No one
orang
will
kampung di
question
situ tu
Okay.
around
That's
70
why
around 70
literature
tu
review,
maksudnya itu
even though it's in
adalah
the chapter 2,
a
we start
single
earlier.
values yang akan
We
represent the data
will start
the data
Okay,
okay, yang boleh kita cakap kepada orang,
so that
okay, yang
whatever
maksudnya mudah
method
untuk
I'm
difahami.
using
Okay,
been
so
done by
ini
someone
antara
else.
mean, median,
So
mode
no
ini
one
adalah
will
untuk
question me
to
because
see
it's already I already giving
to
my
make,
justification
maksudnya
why I'm doing
these
this,
values,
why I'm
okay,
not doing
benda
that.
sama ni, mean,
Okay, because it's
median, mode
already
ini
been
benda sama.
practice or
Okay,
certain method
it
are
is
already
central
proper
tendency, okay,
and been carried out
maksudnya
by different
kecenderungan
scholars.
memusat.
So
Kalau dalam
that
bahasa
is the
Melayu cenderungan
justification you
memusat,
need to
maksudnya
give. Through
value
your
itu
reading.
cenderung
Your
kepada
literature review
data-data
will
yang ada
ask
dalam
that. Okay,
kita
your
punya
chapter
simpanan itu, it is
So literature review is actually we are looking for the
tend to
secondary data.
this
when
value, okay, mendekati this value.
you already
Mendekati
like
this
doing your
maksudnya
qualitative
itu
research.
nak represent the data lah.
There
Okay,
you get
mendekati
all
the
the
mean,
information,
mendekati
necessary
median,
information
mendekati
that
mode.
can
Okay,
be
so itu
answered,
maksudnya
can be
measure of
used as
central
the answer
tendency.
or used as a
Okay, tidak
detail
ada
or
orang
used
kita
as
tengok
method,
orang nak present satu
for your
benda,
thesis or
okay,
to
ataupun
run your survey. Okay.
siapa-siapa
So you
sajalah
come up with the
sembang kedai kopi
hypothesis,
ke,
saying that
sembang
higher
dekat
temperature will make the
masa
seed
you present
sprout
ke,
faster.
okay,
Okay,
all
so that is my hypothesis. Okay, I will come up with that
using this figure lah.
Then
Okay,
we have to conduct the experiment.
kedai
Okay,
kopi dia
experiment.
kata
Then earlier
round
when I said
mungkin
SOP,
dalam lingkungan
standard
macam tu
of
dalam lingkungan itu macam
operating
itu
procedure,
adalah
you have to
mean
follow
itu
that.
yang dimaksudkan mean
So
itu
you need
cumanya
that.
dalam
What
you
are
just
the
mengagak-agak saja.
that I'm
Okay.
going to take,
Tapi
where
kalau
I'm
dalam
going to
statistik
conduct the
we
experiment,
have
what
the
is the
calculation,
variable
the
that I'm
mean,
going to
median,
measure,
how to
okay?
calculate, okay,
What
in
is
the
needed
maksudnya in the
as a measurement.
exact,
This measurement, the
exact
unit,
values
what
yang
unit I
kita
have to use to
measure from
present
the exact data. Okay,
quantifying information.
okay,
all
kita bukan main
need to
agak-agak
take
saja,
into
tapi
account.
kita based on
How
the
I'm
fact,
going to
ada
measure the
fakta dia lah.
variable, what is
Okay.
the sample size, how many
Jadi
seeds I
that's why
will
kita
test
gunakan
at
mean,
each
median, mode.
temperature,
Okay.
how long will my experiments will take place. Okay, master normally 2 years, maximum
Okay.
3 years.
So there are three types of
3 to 5 years. Okay, so we have to
others,
finish everything
measure of
because we are
non-central
constrained many
locations.
things during
Okay,
our journey pursuing our PhD. I also
mean,
pursued
median, mode
my
ini
PhD. Luckily, I got
measure of
grant.
central tendency. Yang satu lagi adalah
my collection of
measure
data
of
is not expensive because it's already covered by the grant.
measure
So
of
it's easier
positions.
for me.
Okay, measure of
Okay.
positions.
But
Okay, all
the grant
these are
certain period of
measure
time. So you have to be
positions,
hardworking. You have to
kedudukan.
finish
Okay.
everything on time. When you are writing,
Okay.
it's just you
So
yourself and the way you are creatively you want to
kedudukan ni
present the
maksudnya in term of
information.
maksudnya
Okay. So try to
paling
utilize
banyak
all the resources
apa?
that are available surrounding you.
Paling kecil,
Okay.
paling
Get
rendah
the
kan.
information as
Kalau kita
possible.
cakap dalam
Try to
bahasa
get and make sure all that
bahasa
information,
maksudnya bahasa
collection of
pasar ke
data
apa ke,
can be
bahasa apa, kedai kopi ke,
answer your problem
paling kecil,
statement,
paling banyak
can
gitu
give
kan.
answer to your
Jadi kita katakan apa ni,
so you
dalam lingkungan macam tu kan, kalau
conduct
dalam
the
kedai kopi kan,
experiment for 3
sembang
types of
kedai
seeds.
kopi kita kata
beans, chili,
dalam lingkungan.
okay, it's all fast
Itu
moving
contohnya dalam
variety
lingkungan
because
70
of
tahun
limited
gitu.
time frame.
Lepas tu yang
So I
measure
need
of
to choose
position
the
ini
variety
kita kata
that's fast Okay,
Dia orang
I'm going
paling
to
kecil,
conduct the
paling
experiment
rendah
in my
gitulah.
home garden.
Okay.
I keep each
Itu
group of
maksudnya measure of
10, 10,
positions.
you see, this all
Paling
the
umur yang paling
procedure
kecil
to
itu
follow that.
lebih kurang
And I
7
will
tahun.
put
Okay.
them in a different
Paling besar,
temperature,
paling
that is
tua
40
adalah
degrees Celsius, 50 and 60.
80 tahun.
I will take
Itu measure of
in a 10
positions.
minutes before sprout.
So how we
measure
measure
the
it? We're
height
using
of the
first
plant with
quartile,
the
second
time.
quartile,
So time and
third
height, the
quartile.
information that I'm going to
Second quartile ni
data that
benda
I'm going
yang
to,
mean lah, yang di tengah-tengah.
What I'm
Okay,
going
mean,
to
mode,
have
median.
as a
Mode
control
median. Yang di
variable
tengah-tengah ni adalah
is the seed
mean,
which
mode,
kept
median.
at the root
Okay.
temperature.
All are the values
So this
that
is the
in
table,
the
simple
central.
table.
Okay.
Okay, very simplified.
Is measured by using mean, median, mode.
Record your
Okay.
data.
Nilai yang di tengah-tengah. Okay, yang akan maksudnya mendekati values itu dalam lingkungan tu. Okay. Data-data kita itu dalam lingkungan mean, mode, median. Sebab itu kita panggil central tendency.
And all other condition variables.
Jadi kalau yang ni first quartile ini yang di tepi, okay. Third quartile yang di kalau kita kata di kiri dan kanan, ini first dan third ini adalah di kiri dan kanan.
Okay, I will take the measurement in every 2 years.
Okay, the lowest and the highest.
Okay, note down any other important observation. Okay, so this is
and quartile 2 ini maksudnya yang di tengah-tengah.
Result are the data. Okay.
Okay.
Raw data. So you have to analyze the data. So it's up to you how you're going to present, in what form you're going to present. Not up to you. Refer the journal articles, how they present, normally they present the data in what form. Okay.
Seterusnya measure of dispersion. Okay, measure of dispersion ini
the moment you have justification, no one will question us. Because we already have
fluctuations
why I'm doing this, why I'm not doing that, why I have
dalam data kita
this,
tu,
okay? So we have justification.
Kepelbagaian,
whatever
measure of dispersion maksudnya ukuran kepada kepelbagaian dalam data. Okay? So ada cara kita nak calculate lah. Kita gunakan variance, interquartile range. Data kita tu kan ada yang tak sama, dia bukan always the same values kan. Okay?
In just a few sentences, your conclusion explain what
contohnya dalam data kita, dalam contohnya weight, okay, dalam satu kelas tu kita ukur weight.
Not supported, okay,
weight.
The result. Okay.
Kenapa kita ukur measure of dispersion ni? Okay, sebab dalam apa saja benda yang kita ukur itu mesti akan ada perbezaan kepelbagaian. Okay, so diukur dengan apa? Measure of dispersion. Menggunakan these 7 types: range, interquartile range, semi-interquartile range, okay, average absolute deviations, variance, standard deviation, coefficient of variations. All these values kita akan will learn how to calculate these measures lah. Okay, all the measures ni. Okay.
That is the reason.
Okay, so we go for measure of central tendency first. Okay.
And I'm already done with data collection,
mean,
and I take this opportunity to
you
wish
know
all
mean?
of you
okay, still remember how to calculate the
enjoy
mean?
the journey. Okay, the journey is very wonderful. Okay,
so mean,
don't be alone.
Mean dalam bahasa Melayu apa dia?
Just simple advice from an old lady. Okay, don't be alone. Okay, normally always discuss with your supervisor. Keep yourself existed in front of your supervisor.
Bahasa Melayu dah, bahasa Melayu je ni nak tanya bahasa Melayu dia. Mean apa dia? What is mean?
Disturb your supervisor.
Mean is
and get inside and do your thesis and write up properly.
Apa dia?
Okay, I hope to see you all in future in 2 years time.
Anyone can answer the questions?
Complete your master on time, a PhD on time,
Purata,
3 to 4 or 5
so
years,
it is Purata.
For that.
So how to calculate the Purata, the mean? So let's say you have this 5 data point.
Thank you, Prof, for the interesting session.
Done with
5 data points. Okay. So how to calculate the Purata ataupun the mean? You just sum the whole the data and then divide by the numbers of the data. Okay. So we have the 5, so divide by 5. Okay. We have 5 data points. Okay. Okay, so we have 5 data points. Okay.
yes, 54.
So we have we sum up, then divide by 5. We have 50.2. Okay. Okay. Any questions for the mean? This is for ungroup data. For group data ada pula cara kita nak calculate. Okay, this is for ungroup data.
Breaking.
Okay. So this is medians. Medians is you have to arrange from you have to arrange the data from the lowest to the highest or in ascending order, based on ascending order. Okay. So as given example here.
Any question?
Okay.
Any question?
20 until 66. Okay, 66.
I think no.
So we get the values in the middle. Okay, choose value in the middle out of 5. Okay, that we have arranged in this ascending order.
Yes,
so just pick the values in the middle. For example, here we have 53 in the middle, right? Okay, after we arrange. Okay, so we say that this is the median. So what is the meaning of the medians? Okay, apa maksud median itu? It is about 50% of the data are smaller and 50% larger than the value of medians. Maksudnya 50% daripada data itu, data set itu adalah kecil daripada median, and the others 50% lagi adalah larger than medians. Okay, itu maksudnya. Okay, sebab dia ni di tengah-tengah kan. So of course, okay, data-data yang selebihnya itu we divide. Actually, median is divide into 2 the data.
Yeah, your line is breaking.
50% is lower than median. 50%, the others 50% will be larger than
you are
median.
About the
So
method.
that is what we call median. And mode is the highest frequency data. Okay. Frequently
the method
appear
that
in the data set.
I shared with you all.
For example, we have
not
this
everything we need to follow.
given.
But, that's why I did a small survey.
You can see here that
so most of them
appear
whoever participate in the survey,
2 times in the data set. So we say that the others data is only 1 time, right?
Using experiment
satu kali saja. Yang data-data yang lain satu kali. So dia yang paling banyak. 66 is the highest number of repeated data.
Talk to your supervisor.
So we say that
they know
66 is
what type
mode.
of method need to be
Kalau 3 kali lagi banyak lah.
Collection data.
Okay, mode is the most frequent. Paling banyak kerapannya dalam
whatever I presented is just a normal thing that normally people use. Experiment, survey, observation, focus group discussion.
Any questions?
Discussion on
I'm asking you questions, and your responsibility is to answer my questions. Okay, if you are not if you
have the justification for doing
don't have any questions, that means you are understand what I'm trying to explain to you. Okay. So then jangan senyap sajalah. Okay. Don't blame me if you are not understand in the class. Okay. So boleh tanya soalan so just ask the questions. Okay. Jangan senyap sajalah. Okay.
I can't hear you.
Okay.
Hopefully you are with us.
Okay.
Okay. So if there's no questions, okay. So there's I have to explain another advantages and disadvantages. Okay. So actually the main disadvantage adalah dipengaruhi oleh outliers. Okay. Main itu dipengaruhi oleh outliers. Okay. Dia kekurangan dia adalah dia sensitif kepada outliers. Okay, mean.
Dr. Munir asking
sensitive,
about the exam.
Why it is sensitive? So if I'm giving you example, let's say you have a data set.
Dr. Munir?
Sorry, I muted myself. I didn't on the mic.
Okay. Exact. The concept is exact.
Yeah. I said Let's see if there's any other question for Prof. Then we attend to that question because it's a general question, I think. But if there is no other question for Prof, anyway. So regarding the exam, so we are going to have it by the grace of God on 4th of November. 4th of November, that is going to be on Wednesday.
Okay.
We're going to have it
So
on
let's say I'm
Wednesday,
giving you
4th of
example,
November.
a data set,
At the same time,
which is involved
from 2:30
maybe
p.m. to 4:30 p.m. It is a 2 hours duration exam. And it is it's
example
MCQs.
2,
So the questions
okay,
are MCQs.
1, 3,
And we are going to
4,
have 50
and 1.
questions altogether.
Okay.
And
So
the pass mark is 80%.
mean, why I'm saying that the mean is
the pass mark, the minimum pass mark is 80%, okay, meaning 40, at least 40 out of 50 should be correct answer.
And then suddenly you have this data.
We announced that already last week.
So you have data 2, 1, 2, 14,
we announced
3.
Through
okay,
the
so
tech
you have
group,
this is what we call outliers.
The website also.
Outliers, okay, or extreme data.
Announcement. So, but for those who made the announcement,
why we call extreme data? Because it is appear extremely large compared to the others. Okay.
Repeating again.
So dia besar daripada terlalu besar dia. Good War 1 kan. Tiba-tiba jadi 14.
Wednesday 4th November. So the same time that we take our class, our session, that is from 2:30 until 4:30.
Okay.
Okay.
So why I'm saying
English,
that? Okay.
And they are taking.
So
thank you very much, Prof.
You can compare that. Me, the example 1, example 2, I'm giving you.
And the questions are taken from the slides that
2, 1, 2. Okay.
The slide
3
presentation
and,
that
okay. So this is your.
So for the
okay.
For the other slides,
you can compare the data.
The link for the slides every day. So at the end of today's session, we're going to upload
maybe this is 1 and 3. Okay.
So meaning to say before the exam,
yang atas
you're
ada
going to have
14,
all
yang
the
ni
slides
1 saja.
with you,
kan?
so you can revise them and
if
go
you
through
calculate
them again.
this mean, the mean for this, okay?
From which link
example 2 plus 1 plus 2
Pardon?
plus 14 plus 3 divide by how much? 5, right? Then what you will get? Boleh ada calculator?
Yeah, we're going to send the link. So you just need to log him at the same time by 2:30. So we're going to give the link,
5.
and also there is also attendance. Normally the same way that we do during the sessions. Okay, the only difference here is that
this one?
no one is going to present anything to you, so you just enter and you start your examination.
Plus 1 plus 3.
From which link? I can't understand.
Divide by 5.
We will send the link.
What you get?
It is most likely to be from the
1.8.
So you can see the difference of the mean, right? When it is kalau yang ini, there is no outliers, right? There is no outlier.
Yeah, I am on
no
Telegram,
outliers.
Unisa ISS group.
Okay.
No, this is not
and
ISS
this
group.
one is
I'm talking
we have
of the
outliers.
PPS
So the
Unisa
difference of the
No, I am not in that.
the mean is
please ask
agak
your
berbeza
friends
sangat lah. Okay.
for
There is
the-
extremely
link. You
difference
join the Telegram
between
group of
the data
PPS.
that have outliers
So we
and
have about
doesn't have
700 and
outliers.
something
Okay.
students, participants there.
So that's why
So
dia
that is
kalau data
we
kita
use
ada
that as
outliers,
one of the main
therefore
information
the
channel.
mean will be
And
influence
alternatively, you check the
ataupun
Facebook,
skewed lah.
and we also advertise through the
Patutnya macam ni
PPS
saja,
website.
biasa-biasa saja kan. Tapi bila
But
kita
it's a
kata
legal,
kita tengok dalam
method
data
to
tu kan, kalau kawasan tu banyak orang miskin, tiba-tiba ada seorang kaya billionaire dalam tu. So bila kita dapatkan mean, dia akan jadi
there is a
billionaire,
link
jadi
to
jutawan
join it.
semua
We
kan.
sent the
Padahal
link
semua orang
several
miskin,
times on the
tapi hanya seorang saja ada
on the-
billionaire kat dalam tu
let
kan.
me
Bila
see
kita
if
mint kan,
you-
purata kan, so dia akan
I'm
jadi
going to write my
jutawan dalam
number
tu.
here.
Daripada miskin, data yang miskin itu,
Okay, so for those of
tapi bila kita purata
who
jadi jutawan
who
semua.
are yet to join
Kan?
the Telegram group,
So that is
my number,
the disadvantages of mint.
01377633013. Okay, please
Dia
send me
dipengaruhi
a
oleh
message. I will send you the link.
highly
This is
affected
the
by the
WhatsApp number.
This is WhatsApp number. This is Telegram
outliers.
number.
Kalau
I use
median
it
pula
for
unaffected by magnitude
official.
of
This is
extreme
official
values,
number here.
the best measure of
So
locations.
we will
Okay.
send on this message
Okay.
on this. For
So dia
for
boleh
example, if unfortunate if anybody doesn't get 40 out of 50.
okay.
Even
Kalau yang median
again,
pula dia tak
Yeah, the condition
advantages
is
ni,
you
advantages
have to pass the exam
advantages
to
of
get
the
certificate.
median sebab dia di
If-
tengah-tengah.
If
Okay.
we
So
don't
we are
pay
not
for,
calculating.
we don't pay for it, and we
When
don't
we
expect
are
it.
kalau
But
median
if
ini kita tak
you do
calculate the
not
whole kan. We
get
just
the required
dia saja. So it is not
mark,
affected by the mean.
then that means
Okay.
you have to
Affected
sit
by
for
the
the exam again in the
outliers.
next
Sebab kita
research
tak ambil kira
methodology
yang lain dah.
session.
Kalau dia
But
duduk
you may not
tengah-tengah,
have to repeat the
value tu je lah
sessions,
kita ambil.
only the exam.
It is not affected by
Okay, so
outliers.
thank you very
Yang
much,
kita tak ambil
brother
kira
Ahmad.
pun
So
outliers.
that is
In order
the
to calculate the
Telegram
median
link
itu, kita
sent
tak ambil
there.
kira
So
pun
you may
the
click
others
it and
values.
join from
Okay,
there.
you just take the values yang ada di tengah-tengah. So itulah kita punya
Thank
median. Okay. Okay. And
I hope
another one,
there's no
mode
more
disadvantage.
questions. So,
Mode
Prof,
disadvantage not unique.
as we always
May
do,
have more than one
we need
mode.
to take a photography session before we go.
So dia akan
So may I
kalau
request
double lah,
that
maksudnya
everyone
tiba-tiba ada
open the
data yang
camera, please?
bukan 66, tiba-tiba 53 ada 2 kali juga. So we have 2 mode. Okay. So it will maksudnya tak sesuai lah sebab it can be many values. Jadi kita tak nak.
Okay, I'm
Sebab
going to take
it
it
is
3 times.
summarization kan. So we have to take one values only.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Brother
So
Zia,
itu saja
we are yet to
untuk
see your
mode
face.
median. Tapi actually in order to calculate, okay,
Brother Abdul Hamid Mohammed,
there's
I have not seen your face.
some methods of calculating each of the mean, median,
Brother
mode
Salim
depending on the
Moeti, okay,
type
now
of
we can see
data.
Brother
So kita
Zia.
ada 2 jenis data, which is ungroup and
Zulkarnain, we
group
can
data.
see you
So
also.
kalau ungroup data,
Sister
kalau you tahu
Puan,
tadi,
we can see
as I
you.
given
Sister Nadiana, we
given
can
you
see
the
you.
data. Okay,
Sister
so this is
Aima
actually
also
the
there. Sister
ungroup
Aisha,
data. Yang group data yang
Bang Aziza, we
dalam
can
dalam
see you.
dalam dalam
Bakil
table
also,
lah.
we can see us
Okay,
here.
dalam table,
One
dalam
as
bentuk
Linda
table lah.
Tori, we can see
Okay.
you. I can also see myself
Okay.
and I can see Prof also.
Boleh faham ungroup data, group data, you kena bezakan
Brother
tu.
Ahmad Safwan,
Okay,
I can
sebab
also
the way
see
of
you.
how we
Alright,
calculate the mean, median, mode itu is different.
We have never seen you
Different.
on
Okay.
picture. Are you
We are
really there?
calculating the mean, median, mode. Okay, for group and ungroup data is
Are you there? Can we see your face for this time?
difference lah, different way, different method, different formula. Okay.
Sister Fatim Fazan.
Okay, so this is ungroup data.
I'm going to
Okay,
take the
kalau
first
ungroup
one
data,
here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I'm taking the second one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to take the third and the final one. Okay. Let's smile a little bit. Yeah, I can only see Prof when you're smiling.
They are scared of the exam, doctor.
Prof is the only one smiling here, so please let everyone smile. Okay, yeah, Sister Pai is also smiling, I can see. Thank you. Let me also smile a little bit. All right, Tiga.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Good luck, everybody.
Thank you,
Good luck.
bro,
Good
for your
luck.
time and attention. Thank you very much, inshallah. We see you all again tomorrow in the last session.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
So this is
Thank
for
you.
ungroup
Bye.
data.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you, bro. So we
Ungroup
close the
data.
session now.
So as I show you just now, so this is for ungroup data. Actually, the sum of x, we sum the x, okay, the sum x, okay, is here, okay, and divide by the number of data, okay, bilangan data tu lah, okay. Okay, so that is mean for ungroup data. About the medians, okay, you have to calculate the position of median, okay. After you arrange, okay, for example here, okay, you have to arrange first, right? The first step in median is you have to arrange from the lowest to the highest. Okay. After that, you can calculate if maybe you can. It is involving of many data or large data. Okay, maybe 100 and so on. So maybe the positions is you don't know the positions. So you have to calculate. You can calculate the position of medians. Okay, where is the positions of the medians is located? So you just using this formula n plus 1 divided by 2. So if maybe for example you have 120, so 120 plus 1 divided by 2. So you are the positions will be 60.5, for example, 160 kan, 161. Okay, bagi 2 dari sorry, 160 is 80.5. Okay. Okay. So this is for odds number of observation, the median in the middle values of data. Okay. For even number of observation, the median will be average of the two middle numbers. Okay. So apa yang dimaksudkan? Okay. Kalau median, okay. If you want to calculate the median, okay. For example, 2 tadi lah, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, for example. So maybe you have to, maybe 4 sini, 4. So you have to arrange. First step is you have to arrange. Okay? So 1, 2, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so this is for odds number untuk bilangan data tu. Sebab you ada 5, okay, dia kata kalau odds is will be in the middle. Okay, so menggunakan position of median n plus 1 divide by 2. Okay, okay, calculation ni nak detect, nak cari location dia saja, ya. Positions of the median itu, kedudukan position median. Okay. I just put the 5 n, sebab kita ada 5 variables, n plus 1 divided by 2. So we get the 6. 3. So ini 3. So just count from the yearly numbers, okay, yearly data, okay, to the number 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is the traits. Okay, position dia dekat ketiga. So our median yang ni lah. Okay, tapi dia kata kalau odds, kalau even number, so contohnya data kita ada lagi 5 sini. Okay, sini kita punya data ada tambah lagi sini 5 kan. Okay, so ini adalah even number of data. Okay, kita ada 6 data. So itu ada 6, itu adalah bilangan 6 itu adalah even. So even, kalau even macam ni, so Okay, kita buat macam ni, kira dulu. And then we get the, apa dia? 3.5, right? 3.5. So 3.5 will be in the middle. Okay, di tengah-tengah sini. Kan? 1, 2, 3. Okay, tapi di tengah-tengah tak ada. So apa solution kita? Macam mana kita nak tentukan which one is our median? It just plus this one, these two variables, these two data. Okay, tambah dia bagi 2. So you get the 2.5. So this is our median. Okay. Itu kalau bilangan data kita itu even. Okay, for even. Okay, for even number. Kalau odds, okay, tak ada masalah, ambil yang di tengah-tengah terus. Okay, boleh eh? Any questions?
Boleh, sir.
Okay. Okay, kalau tak ada kita teruskan. Itu untuk median. For mode, mode senang je lah. Okay, macam tadi lah, bilangan yang paling banyak. Okay, boleh. Bilangan yang paling banyak itulah mode dia. Okay, mana-mana data, which of data that frequently appear in the data, maka that's what we call the mode. Okay, macam ni dalam data ni we have 66 yang repeated 2 times. Okay, compared to the others, so 66 is frequently appear in the data set. Okay, 2 kali berbanding yang lain sekali saja. Okay. Okay, so itu ungroup. Boleh for ungroup. Boleh eh? Boleh proceed dengan group data. Group data, as I said just now, okay, it is in the form of tables. Data tu yang disusun dalam table. Okay, so we have the class interval, okay, we have the frequency, and also biasanya table yang diberi kalau dalam soalan yang ni sajalah, 2 ni. We have 2 columns only. Okay, class interval and frequency. Okay, so we say that this is our F, this is F. Okay, kalau frequency itu this is our formula. Okay, the mean. Okay, this is the formula for group data. So F and X, okay, F itu adalah frequency. X is midpoint. Okay, F time X. Okay, yang ni lah F time X. Ni macam mana dapat 50? Anyone? How to get the 50 from Fx? Okay, so pada mulanya data is we just involve of what we call the class interval only. Class interval. Okay, and then we have the frequency. Okay. Okay, so this is our data yang dah susun. Okay, so what we need to do is we have to add another column, 2 columns, which is this is F. So we have this F X divided by N. Okay, untuk dapatkan min ataupun X bar. Notation dia X bar. And then we have to get the X, okay, which is this is the actually midpoint. Okay, and then get the multiplication between F times X. Okay, so we have 2 here, 4, then 5, 2, right? And then we have 24, 26. Okay. So let's say we have this. So kita apa yang kita buat? You just get the x midpoint and then the times between f and x. Ini kalau group data This is for group data. For group data yang tadi lah. Okay, so x is midpoint of f of interval ni. Macam mana kita dapatkan x ini adalah nilai di tengah-tengah ni, midpoint. So what I have to do is 24 plus 26 divided by 2. Itu namanya midpoint. Okay, get the 25, right? You akan dapat 25. Okay. And then 25, 2 times 5, 25 is 50. Okay. Boleh. And then here you have 26 plus 28 divided by 2. You get what? 54. So berapa? 27. Right? So times with 4. Berapa? Berapa? Bagi dia tu notes. Jadi 1068. Okay. And so on. Okay. Boleh So bila you dapat, okay, and then you get the others with 29, 31, okay, and then for the 145, okay, 62, okay. Then our formula is want to get the summation of fx. Okay. Sum ini maksudnya ini simbol sum ni adalah untuk ialah sum lah, untuk sum ni. This is sum. Okay. So kita ada fx dah, fx. So untuk nak jadikan dia sum, okay. Ini fx. So you have to sum it in order to get this. Okay. Okay. So you get the sum of fx is 365. Okay. 365. Jadi lastly we'll get the x bar 365 divided by how many? N. Ini kita dapatkan n. Ini sum, you tambah semua ni sebenarnya n lah. Okay, so we have 13. So we get 28.0769. Okay. Boleh? Any questions for the mean?
Boleh,
Ada
sir.
soalan? Boleh
No, sir.
Okay, kita proceed pula dengan median. Okay, median ni lain sikit lah. You have to get the boundary. Okay, the boundary. Boundary limits. Boundary limit. Okay. Boundary limit. Maksudnya, you kena kurangkan 0.5 kat bawah ni. Okay. Ni 0.5. Okay. Yang atas you tambah 0.5. Okay. So you have to get print screen. Okay. Siapa yang buat? You kena buat class boundary. Okay, as we have done in the previous class. For table, we have to get a class boundary Okay. So class boundary adalah 23.5 to 26.5. Okay. Is 25. Sorry, 25. Kita kena dapatkan dia punya boundary. Okay. Macam ni lah. 25, 26.5 tambah 0.5. Okay. So 26.5. Okay. Ataupun tak payah bagi contoh dalam ni tak boleh juga Okay, so untuk median we have to use the formula. Okay, sama je lah, the same you have to first kalau you ada table macam ni, okay, what you have to do is you just determine the POM, positions of median first, okay. Ini tak perlu arrange lah sebab memang dia dah ada bentuk arrange lah, dia arrange lah, okay, siap-siap. Okay, POM, just calculate the POM in order to identify the class median. Class median maksudnya class medians yang ni lah, class itu class median yang ni lah. Okay, ni class ni. So this is class, right? Okay, this is class. Okay, so this is actually the class. Okay, this is class. Okay, macam mana tentukan kelas median ini? You have to calculate first the POM and divide by 2. So what from here we have 12 and divide by 2. So we have 6. Okay, so just okay, sorry. Kena letakkan, kena apa? Kena calculate dulu CF ni. Okay. Kalau sebelum ni kalau mean we have to get the X dengan X kan, dengan FX. Okay. But for median you kena tambah kolom CF. CF is for cumulative frequency. Okay. Kena kira dulu cumulative frequency. Macam mana buat cumulative frequency? Kekerapan longgokan, panggil kekerapan longgokan. You just, kalau first ni 2, dia nilai asal dia lah. Dan kemudian followed by 7. Why can be the CF become 7? Because the first plus the second. So become 7 CF. And then the third column itu, the third row itu adalah hasil tambah yang sebelumnya. Semua dengan current dengan yang sebelumnya. Okay, so that's why jadi 10. Okay, 2 plus 5 plus 3 itu becomes 10. Okay, dan kemudian yang jadi 12 ni sebab you total up yang sebelumnya dengan yang the current. Okay, so it is become 12. Okay, so itu CF. Okay, so POM. Okay, from that cumulative frequency dengan POM ini, contohnya yang ni you dapat 6 kan. So 6 ini kat mana? It is here. Okay. Dalam kelas dia ni. Okay. Di antara okay, from 3 until 6 until 7. Okay. Kita nak tentukan kelas dia ni dulu Okay. 3 dengan 7 ini sampai ke 7 ini adalah yang ni. Okay. Jadi ni. Okay. Ini kelas boundary, kelas median dia. Okay. Median itu kita tentukan daripada sini jadi bila kita dah tahu yang ini, okay. So we have to settle these values. Okay. Yang mana satu dalam ni, dalam interval ni adalah median. Kita nak dapatkan a single value kan from this. Okay. Therefore we have to use the formula. Okay. Formula in order to determine what values in this interval is median. Okay. What values in this interval is median. Okay. So dia median itu ada di tengah-tengah ni, dalam ni. Okay. Okay. So how to okay. So how to calculate using this formula. Okay. So L itu adalah lower limit. Lower limit is 26. Yang inilah lower limit. And POM adalah yang kita dah kira tadi 6. Okay. Frequency before the class median. Frequency before class median. Apa dia frequency before the class median adalah 2. Okay. Frequency, faham Frequency M-1 itu adalah before class median. Ini class median kan. So this is class median. Before dia frekuensi ni, before frekuensi yang sebelum the class median adalah 2. So that's why kita ambil 2. Okay. Ini jadi 2. So this is 2. Okay. Okay. And then yang ni adalah frequency on the class median. Frequency on the class median, frequency dekat class median adalah yang ini. Okay. FM. F minus 1. Okay. So this will be 5. Okay. C pula apa dia C? Okay. C is median class size. Okay. Median class size. You tolak sajalah. Okay. Ni tolak ni berapa? 3 kan? Okay. That's why jadi 3. So this is actually class size 29.5 minus 26.5. So it is become 3. So ini 3. So ikan jadi yang ni lah. Okay. So kita punya median will be 28.9. So ada di tengah-tengah kan. Kalau you calculate bukan di tengah-tengah ni salah you calculate Salah you punya calculation Okay. Kalau tak di tengah-tengah. Okay. Boleh? Any question?
Boleh sir. Boleh sir.
Okay. So that is median. Kalau OGIF menggunakan graph, just use the POM. You dapat POM tu kan, position of median itu tadi tu. Ini 6 kan. Okay. Kalau ada OGIF, jadi you just tarik dia tu. Okay. Buat projections. Okay. Towards the line in the OGIF. Dan kemudian project it vertically to the class boundary, the class interval lah. Okay. And then we get the median 28.9. Okay. Simple kalau dapat OGIF. Kalau dah ada OGIF, so no need to calculate it. Just using, but you have to use the graph paper in order to get the accurate accurate apa nama ni? Accurate graph lah, accurate graph. Okay. Supaya scale itu betul-betul okay, betul-betul mengikut data lah. Okay, bukan sketch. Sketching is melakar saja. You tak kira pun ni. You tak ukur betul-betul kan. Okay. You tak ukur graf itu betul-betul. Kalau graf paper, so ada ukuran-ukuran yang boleh dah. Yang you boleh gunakan. Okay. Okay. So itu median. Boleh That is for median. For mode, okay. So it is similar to the median, okay, on how we calculate how to get the values of the mode, okay, for group data, how to get the median values, okay, in a group data set, okay. So what you have to do is just identify the class mode. Class mode kat sini kan. So this is your class mode. Kenapa kita panggil yang ni class mode? Okay. Kenapa dipanggil class mode? Because of what? Why we call this is class mode? Yang pink colors ni. Pink ya, bukan pink. Kat situ ke orange Okay. This is class mode. Okay. Kenapa kita boleh jadikan ni class mode? Mode kat dalam ni. Okay. Tapi nak tentukan class mode ni macam mana? Sebab dia high frequency. Okay. Sebab this class banyak kali appear. Okay. So frekuensi dia tu tinggi. Itu cara nak tentukan class mode lah. Okay. So once you have identified the class mode, okay, which is here, okay, and of course mode will be inside this interval. Okay, so how to find the actuals ataupun the actual mode values, the single mode values. So you have to use this formula. Okay. Okay, this is before, this is after. Containing mode. This is containing mode. Okay. Frekuensi yang containing mode. Okay. This is before class mode. Before class mode. Frequency of before class mode, and this is after class mode. Frequency of after class mode. So ni. Okay. So this is F node. Panggil off node. This is F1. This is F2. Okay. And then this is lower boundary. Lower boundary yang ni lah. Okay. Okay. Just take the values. Okay. So dapat 26.5. And then this is class. Okay. Macam ni lah. Ni F node. So dapat 5. This is 2. Okay. Before. Ini after. 2. Okay. And then this is 5. This is 2. 3. This is 3. And this is 5. Okay. So our calculation will be this one. Okay. C sama lah. Class size. Okay. The 29.5 minus 26.5. Okay. And lastly, you get the 28.3. Okay. So the values is always inside the interval. Okay. Boleh?
Yes, sir. Boleh, sir.
Okay. Ada adik sekali belajar. Okay. Okay, so actually by using histograms yang kita dah buat sebelum ni, we can also find the values of mode. So how to find it? You just cross line, do a cross line between the this ni lah, okay, okay, as show here, okay, yang paling tinggi lah, yang paling besar ni, okay. Jadi buat cross line, and then the point and the cross line itu you tarik ke bawah, project ke bawah, you will get the mode, okay. Itu kalau histogram, kita gunakan histogram, okay. And again, the histogram that you are construct is must be using the actual scale lah, okay, based on scale, based on actual scale, okay, skill yang betul lah, yang betul lah, okay. So itu histogram, okay, we can find the mode, okay. Ini kalau yang kualitatif lah, okay, kita boleh gunakan lah. Ini tak perlu bincang lah, hari itu kita dah buat, okay. So this is among the differences between mean and median and mode, okay. As I told you just now, okay, even for data set, kalau mean ini kita take into account the whole data, and then influenced by extreme values tadi lah, outliers, and only one mean for a data set, we have one mean, okay, kita calculate it from the mean, applicable for quantitative data only, okay, untuk qualitative data. Median does not involve all data set values, sebab apa, kita tak take into account the values, the whole values, kita just susun dan kemudian identify position yang ada di tengah-tengah, okay, itu saja. So dia tak melibatkan orang lain, okay. So that's why dia tak influenced by extreme values, okay. Only one median for data set, okay, dia takkan satu sajalah, okay, a data set ada satu median, applicable to quantitative data only, okay. Dia hanya boleh digunakan untuk kuantitatif data saja, untuk data yang ada nombor saja, okay, yang based on kita punya apa, kita boleh measure lah, okay. Okay, so mode does not involve all data values, sama juga, okay, tak involve, it just tengok kepada data yang frequently appear in the data set, okay. Might influenced by extreme values, okay. Kadang-kadang lah, it can be extreme values, it can okay, kalau dia ialah yang banyak kali itu adalah extreme values, maka ialah sebab dia melibatkan data yang banyak. Kalau mode ini, of course, kalau data extreme values yang banyak, maka dia akan dipengaruhi oleh extreme values, okay. Can be more than one mode for a data set. Kenapa? Sebab our determinations of the mode is depend on the how frequent the data is appear, okay, the mode is appear kan, so that we will take as mode, okay. So kalau data tu ada, mungkin ada 3 figure tu yang mungkin banyak kali, sama banyak, ada beberapa kali, okay. Dalam dataset kita mungkin ada 3 point data itu yang beberapa yang sama banyak dia punya ni bilangannya. It can be many, okay. So mode itu it can be many, okay. Okay, and then mode applicable to qualitative and quantitative data. It can be macam tadi lah tunjuk tadi, ini kualitatif, okay. So mode dia adalah bicycle, okay. Okay, kalau paling banyak itu orang naik basikal ni contohnya, okay. So this is what we call mode also, okay. Tapi dalam bentuk kualitatif, okay, kualitatif, okay. Okay, kategori lah, maksudnya kategori of vehicles, type of vehicles, bus, bicycle, walking, train and so on. So this is category, right? Okay. So kalau kategori itu paling banyak digunakan, maka itu dianggap sebagai mode. Okay. And then skewness. Okay. Okay. Ini distribution of data set. Dalam data kita ada measure of filter. Tak ada lagi. Ada skewness. Tak ada lagi skewness ni. Okay, so ada So we have the mode, median, mean. Okay, relationship between mean, median, and mode. Okay. Okay. So kita ada skewness of data, maksudnya distribution lah. Data kita tu bentuk dia macam mana? Okay. Data kita tu ada macam-macam bentuk lah. Okay. Antaranya yang tiga lah. We have three type of data, distribution of data. Okay. Okay. So ada yang skewed to the right, skewed to the left. Okay. Skewed ataupun symmetrical. Okay, most of data yang kita nak adalah mostly kita assume the data yang ada dalam wujud dalam dunia ini adalah normal. Semuanya normal ataupun symmetrical. Okay, symmetrical. Okay. Okay, symmetrical. Ada juga yang kadang-kadang skewed. Okay, data yang tidak normal lah. Maksudnya dia akan ada skewed to the right, skewed to the left. Okay, skewed to the right and skewed to the left. Okay. Okay, skewed to the right and skewed to the left, and then this is symmetrical. Okay, data tu normal, maksudnya data tu lebih kurang sama saja. Okay, cumanya mungkin just fluctuate sikit-sikit saja. Okay, okay, so macam mana explain skewness. Data ni okay, so nak bagi example macam mana nak bagi faham. Okay. Okay. So we have skewed to the right, skewed to the left. Okay. Then normal. Okay. So ini adalah okay. So this is always kita katakan sebab kenapa ini paling tinggi adalah mode, selalunya mode. Okay. Because frekuensinya paling tinggi. Ini frekuensi lah lebih kurang. Okay. Always frekuensinya tinggi. Okay. So ini adalah mode. Kemudian yang di sini biasanya akan jadi mean. This is median. Okay. Notation dia macam ni lah. Okay. X bar. Okay, median, and then this is X bar. Okay, jadi ini sama aja, mean, median, Okay, mode. Okay, so we assume mostly data itu adalah normal ataupun symmetrical, normal data. Okay, so akan ada ukuran perbezaan lah. Okay, data tu dia tak maksudnya kalau normal ni maksudnya data tu tak berbeza sangat, biasa lebih kurang sama je kan. Okay, itu dinamakan sebagai normal ataupun symmetrical. Okay, okay. Kalau yang macam ni, okay, ada yang kadang-kadang dia apa namanya, data yang terlalu banyak data ni, okay, apa nama ni, skewed. Maksudnya dia tak normal lah data yang ni, data yang ni dia tak normal. Okay, okay. Values, okay. Ini paling banyak data tu yang kecil semua, nilai dia kecil. Okay, ini kosong lah. Okay, banyak data tu ke arah nilai yang kecil. Okay, kalau yang ni banyak data tu ke arah nilai yang besar. Okay, sebab dekat sini kan, so ini adalah frekuensi. Data kita banyak, ini kan semakin besar nilai. Contohnya this is width. Okay, this is width, this is width. Okay, this is width. Okay, okay. So kalau yang ni maksudnya weight banyak orang dia apa namanya, berat dia tu lebih kecil, okay, daripada biasa. Okay, banyak contohnya kalau apa namanya, ialah banyak data tu banyak lebih kepada data yang kecil lah sikit. Okay, okay. Maksudnya tak normal lah ni. Okay, kalau kita katakan kita kata purata orang yang apa namanya, contohnya berat seorang lelaki kan. Okay, okay. Walaupun kita kata purata itu this value contohnya 60, tapi based on mode, okay, observation yang banyak sekali adalah 60 40. Okay, banyak yang sikit walaupun kita kata mean itu 60 kan. Okay, tapi observation banyak yang apa, nilai yang rendah. So biasanya yang ni adalah apa nama ni, ada outliers kita tu yang outliers terlalu besar. Okay, nilai yang terlalu besar. Okay, outliers ini ada yang extreme values, tahu extreme values extreme values is not necessarily large values, okay, atau big values. Okay, it is also can be represent by the apa two small values. Okay, value yang terlalu kecil berbeza kan. Kalau kita tengok berat manusia tu 60, tiba-tiba jadi dia 30 saja, 30 je kilo berat dia. Okay, so itu adalah extreme value juga. Ada juga yang kata 60 berat manusia 60, tapi tiba-tiba ada 180 berat dia. Itu extreme value juga. Okay, so ada dua jenis, too large, okay, atau too small. Okay, ini too large, too small lah ni. Okay, data kita tu banyak apa, kalau skew to the right ni biasanya data yang kita banyak yang terlalu besar lah. Okay, kalau skew to the right ni, skew to the left, banyak data kita yang terlalu kecil. Okay, banyak data kita terlalu kecil. Okay, so itu ni lah. So itu tak normal lah data kita kan. Okay, data kita tak normal. Yang normal adalah yang ni lah. Okay. So itu tujuan skewness tu lah. Okay, hubungan di antara mode, median, mean ini. Okay. Daripada mode median itu kita boleh tengok gambarkan data kita tu normal ke tak. Okay, biasanya data yang bagus untuk to be analyzed is data yang bila kita buat distribution dia are symmetrical. Okay, data tu symmetrical. Distribution dia symmetrical. Okay, as given here. Okay, jadi kita tak nak yang ini. Okay, skewed to the right, skewed to the left. Okay, kita nak yang symmetrical. So actually before we are, maksudnya kita nak proceed our data itu to be analyzed, okay, by using statistical analysis, kita kena tengok dulu data tu macam mana. Okay, boleh proceed walaupun skewed to the left ataupun skewed to the right, but yalah, itulah tujuannya kita nak detect. Okay? Sebab different type of distribution ini ada cara kita nak method, ada cara method kita yang berbeza-beza in order to analyze that kind of data lah. Okay, this kind of the three type of distribution ini. Okay, distribution ni ada cara kita nak analyze. Okay, data kita kalau yang distribution macam ni ada cara kita nak analyze. Also this one. Okay, okay. So itu tujuan ni. Okay. Jadi itu sesungguhnya kalau mode less than median less than mean, maksudnya itu adalah skewed to the right. Kalau mean less than median less than mode, maka itu dianggap sebagai skewed to the left. Okay. Kalau sama saja semua, maka dianggap sebagai symmetrical. Okay. At the best data set, the best distributions, okay, the best data set yang distributionnya the best data set to be analyzed adalah yang symmetrical lah. Okay. Okay. And then measure of skewness. Macam mana kita nak measure how skewed? Okay. Kalau skewed kita anggap sebagai symmetrical tu ada dia punya scale dia. Ada ukuran dia. Daripada mana ke mana. Okay. Kalau yang ini skewed to the left ni macam mana kita nak measure? Okay. Bukan hanya tengok kepada apa nama ni? Pada gambar raja ni saja. Okay. Tidak cukup lah. Mungkin kita boleh actually there's daripada the simple way of determining the distributions to the advanced methods of determining the distributions. Okay. Ada cara kita lah. Jadi median. Jadi macam mana kita nak tentukan skewness dia? Sama ada skewed to the left, skewed to the right. Okay. Bukan hanya menggunakan yang ini. Okay. Ataupun symmetrical, just ada ukuran dia lah. Okay. Kita menggunakan kalau negatif. Okay. Ini cara dia. Okay, skewness. Kalau mean minus mode is positive value, kita dapat positive value. So distribution is skewed to the right or positively skewed. Okay. Skewed to the right tadilah. Skewed to the right. Okay. Yang ni lah. Okay, kalau kita tolak. Okay. Skewed to the right. Okay. Mean tolak mode. Okay. Kita dapat positif, positively skewed. Kalau mean minus mode dapat negatif, so it is skewed to the left. Okay. Skewed to the left. Okay. Tapi kalau mean minus mode equals to 0, it is symmetrical. Sama values dia kan. Okay. Okay, ada soalan? Rasanya itu saja kot untuk hari ini. Mungkin you boleh buat exercise, nanti next class kita discuss. Okay. Okay, boleh buat example. .29. Oh, ni kena buat histogram. .29. Tahu buat tutorial tu tutorial tu ada di bahagian ni. Boleh tutorial, boleh buat tutorial tak? Next class kita buat, kita bunda, kita discuss lah. Okay. Boleh. Buat, since kita dah ni lah. Question 10, tutorial tu boleh tak? You ada buku teks kan? Ada manual kan semua?
Ada.
Okay, boleh buat question 10. Banyak ni. Question 10. Question 11, 12. Oh, tak boleh juga. Question 10. Okay, buat question 10. 11 tu question 11. 11 oh tak ada lagi ni, standard deviation pun tak buat lagi. Boxing whiskers pun tak buat lagi. Standard deviation, mesti ada standard deviation. Soalan exam ni pasti. Oh, question cuma question 11 tak ya. Question 12, question 12. Question 12. Okay. Tanda question 12. Tanda dah. Question 12. Nombor 12. Soalan nombor 12. Nombor 13. Nombor 13. Nombor 13 ni A and B sajalah. A and B saja. 13 A and B. Okay. And then 14. Itu sajalah. Okay. Boleh? Boleh ya? Okay, so itu homework you. Next class besok kita discuss.
Sir,
Ah.
question 10 buat tak?
Ha?
Question 10.
Question 10 tadi.
Kau tak jadi.
Tak payah. Sebab ada soalan yang you tak belajar lagi. 10 buat. 10 buat. Question 10, 12, 13. 13 A and B. and 14. 14 itu semua lah. Okay? Boleh?
Okay.
Okay, so itu saja. See you next class. Attendance saya bagilah sekejap lagi. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
see you.
sir.
Assalamualaikum.
Salam. Thank you, sir.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, sir.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.